Yeah. And she's had to open this offline, so it's fine.
Okay. We're gonna do risk percentage 5%.
Yeah.
Let's see, news only despair. I don't want to see low impact or medium impact. And I would like to see up to 10 future events.
Can people see my writing?
Hi, sis. I see it.
Perfect. It's working.
Okay, so that's the news.
Mm-hmm.
Anything else? No, that's it, I think.
Oh, you're risking 5%. That's fine. So, yeah, so you can start. So, everybody, welcome. I'm a student today with you all. Chantal's going to be taking the session today. As I said, she doesn't need no help, so she'll be fine. We'll just
Thanks a lot, Rox. I hope it goes well. Otherwise,
we'll have to go back to the drawing board.
Exactly.
Okay. All right, no problem. So, yeah, all the best. I'm sure you're going to be fine. Let's make it happen, okay?
Okay, thank you. Hi, everyone. Let's get started. I started the chart from September the 3rd. That's the first trading day of the month. And if I look at this, the setup right now, it's, wait a minute. Here. That's one thing I don't know, Rox, how to cut it off. It just goes all the way down. So.
And double click here in properties.
Properties.
No, double click it.
Oh, okay.
Right click now. Object, trendline properties. Go to parameters a second. Turn off ray. That should work. Now delete it and try. Yes.
Yes, finally. Okay. So the trend for this pair at the moment is bearish. It's going down.
Correct.
So wait, I need to make it a little bit bigger.
If you can, sis, put your box in the left-hand corner for us, please, out of the way of the chart. Yeah, perfect. Thank you.
Okay. What I'm seeing at the moment is that over here there's a high.
Okay.
And I think we're too far down from this high, so I would like to see some type of structure, something like this.
Okay.
That's what I'm anticipating at the moment, but let's see what happens. It was, I think, H4. Okay. Right now, there's another high that just formed.
Sure.
So I'm going to delete this one. And we're going to delete, oops, these. So what I'm seeing at the moment is this is an indecision candle. It dropped a little bit. It went to look for the same area over here.
Correct.
And it failed, and then it went back down. So the trend is continuing the sell bias.
Correct.
So I'm still sell bias.
What are you looking for?
Well, I'm looking for a pullback on the lower time frames to see if I can get an entry.
For a what, though?
For a sell. I'm looking for sell.
For a retest or a 50%?
First 50%. And then I would like to build some evidence to see if it's abiding the 50%. If it's not, if it's going higher than the 50%, then I'm going to look for this area.
Very good. Your criteria is to see this bearish go to bullish on the lower time frames, and then from bullish to bearish, okay?
Yes.
Okay.
So 50% is about here. I want to see how it reacts to this line.
Okay.
Or this area. Oops. Oops, that's too big. Okay, so we're gonna push 1 hour candle at the moment to see what happens.
Sure.
Okay, so when I see this, let's see if I can get it bigger. To me, this is like it tried to drop, but this looks like a low. So we're anticipating for it to go to this area, so that's actually fine. I would like to see another 1 hour candle to see what happens.
Sure.
Okay, nothing interesting.
No.
Okay, it's turning around. Okay, so now I'm looking at this candle over here. This looks like it formed a lower low. This was our high, and I need to see on an M30 see what it looks like.
Sure. How many 2 more hour candles have you got left of this 4-hour candle?
I,
2. It's
how
always,
do you see that?
you've got 2.
Okay.
Always try and bear that in mind, okay?
Okay.
So it's fine. So go to your M30 and do your research.
Okay, so what I'm seeing here is that it pushed up, and then the candles over here are getting smaller, and it tried to go above this area, but it failed.
Sure.
And it looks like it's continuing the bearish trend. This is bearish pressure, but usually when I trade and I see this, I would think that this is more than enough evidence to get into the trade.
Okay.
I still would like to see on M15 to see what it looks like, how this part is built up. So I'm gonna do that just in case,
Sure.
and then we're gonna see if we can get an entry. So this is not enough evidence for me right now because I still see an uptrend.
Correct.
So this is not enough information. Then I'm gonna push the M15 bars to see what happens.
Yeah.
And I would like to draw a line over here, the lowest wick that I see. If it breaks that wick, that's when I would start considering to enter.
Sure. Very good.
Okay, so here you see it tried to break it, but it failed.
Correct.
Now it broke it. But is this enough? I don't feel confident that this is enough.
No, so you need to tell me why you don't feel confident.
Because this is a breakout, but it can still push back in.
Correct. Very good.
And I have had that happen often to me. So I'm gonna push 1 more candle to see what happens. The only thing that I'm bearing in mind is that it might push further down, and then I might have missed the opportunity. But if it has, then we're gonna look for this. It's gonna push down. Then we're gonna wait for it to form a new lower high, and then a trend continuation.
Correct.
So if it pushes back up, I'm gonna put my sell stop over here. If it pushes back too far, I'm gonna wait for a new lower high to form.
Great.
Exactly. This is what I mean.
So
I'm happy that I didn't enter.
Very good. So just a point to make here. From your experience in the markets, you have recognized that this breakout, first and foremost, I don't know why it's doing that, is too far for an entry, because what you've seen in the past is that after the breakout, more often than not with your experience, price will push back in, which means no entry, right?
Yes.
And that only comes with experience. So everybody that's here, understand what Chantal's done. From the 4-hour time frame, she was ready to take a sell because of the 4-hour momentum. She was then ready to look for a sell at this level because price was failing to break above. She almost went in for a sell at this level, but her experience told her that price action has not yet shown enough bearish sentiment. And for that reason, she was waiting for price to break this structure to look for a clear sell opportunity. And if price pull back enough to give her a sell stop entry, she was then looking to go into the trade. But from her experience, she did not take this trade, even though she thought that she may have missed the opportunity, because from her experience, price breaks back in. Look how she avoided a loss. That comes with experience. Okay? So, well done, Chantal.
Okay. So right now we're gonna delete these because they're invalidated.
Correct.
And I can't see what time this is, can I?
Well, if you know what, now that price is broken back above, let's move back up to like the hourly or 30-minute time.
Yeah, because that's what I wanted to do exactly. Okay. So this is what I also was talking about. I was anticipating a 50% retracement of the H4 candle, which was this line over here.
Correct.
And I wanted to see how it reacted to this area. And if it broke this area, if it went higher, I'm going to look for a retracement around here. So
Correct.
That's what I'm going to do right now.
Brilliant. Now, can you give me control of your screen, please? If you go to the mouse at the top, it will say give control to rocks, or give control, and then select my name a second, please. I want to show somebody something. I want to show you guys something.
Where do I do that?
It's usually at the top. Your little drop down menu right at the top.
The black screen?
Yep.
Okay, I don't see give control. I see mute, start video, participants, new share, pause share.
That's your bottom screen. Go to your top screen. It will drop down all the way to the top of your screen. It will drop down if you hover over it.
Oops. I am hovering.
Oh no, I got it. Don't worry.
Yeah?
I've requested. Now give me access.
Okay.
Okay, fine. So, have I got access?
Yes, you do.
Why is it not moving? You're controlling the screen.
I can see you move it.
Is it moving on your side?
Yes.
The box has moved.
No, your arrow is moving. Your arrow.
Okay. Has the next bar moved?
No.
Very strange. Okay, fine. So forget about it. So if I draw this line here, can you see the blue line?
Yes.
Can you see two blue lines?
I see only one.
Is the blue line at the bottom wick of the current candle?
Almost.
Jesus. Okay. I don't know why it's doing this. Let me try it this way.
Now it's in the middle.
Okay, fine. Now, this is something I want to highlight. The structure that we've been monitoring for a very long time, especially using the hourly time frame, when we identify a momentum trade and a potential 50% pullback, we see prices failing to break above this 50% retracement level for 2 hours, and we have now a big bullish candle. More often than not, this pattern signifies a continued bullish momentum back to a major level in the market. And this major we're looking at is going to be, see, it's drawing it all wrong. This major that we're going to be looking at is going to be this level here, which is the 4H, lower high.
Mm-hmm.
So just bear this in mind. Let's see what happens, Chantal. Carry on. I like the way you said now that price is broken above, you're going to wait for it to come back. So let's see what happens, okay?
Okay. Okay, so that's the candle that doesn't tell me anything. I actually would like to go to H4.
Yeah, I would say go H4 now.
Okay, so let's see. I'm gonna remove this. Does it? Wait, where's my line? That's the major level we're looking at.
Very good.
Okay, so next bar, that's indecision.
Mm-hmm.
I usually get confused when I see this because I know it has to retrace. So I don't know. I'm just gonna push the H4. Yeah, that's what I meant.
Yeah, but listen, you still need the lower time frames momentum to change from bullish to bearish. Go to the fifth 30-minute second. So regardless, if you saw this as a potential, you still need the shift to happen, okay?
Okay.
So don't stress. The shift is starting to happen. So now you can look for a lower high formation.
Okay, because this was the area also that we had identified as well. Actually, this was the last high on M30.
Yep.
So then this would have been an entry opportunity.
If that's how you see it, yes, it could have been.
But for now, this one is the one that I'm looking at.
Correct.
I'm just gonna lower this a little bit. And what we see is it attempted to break this area. It pushed back in.
Correct.
We're gonna see what happens with the next bar. Okay, so this is, it went in, wait, it broke the level, it broke back in, and now it's continuing. That's how I see this area here.
Sure.
But I think you got, or I know you're gonna see it better on the M15. So we're gonna go to the M15. What I'm identifying over here is this is a high.
Yep.
This is another high.
Yep.
Oops. Here.
Yep.
This one. This is another low high. So to me, it's continuing the sell bias.
Bearish pressure. Yep.
Bearish pressure exactly. But I take notice of this area because this candle is a very large candle consuming 3 other candles. So, and you see that over here, it's like rejecting this area.
Yep.
So I would like to see a little bit of a pushback up.
Yep.
And then putting a sell stop over here somewhere here.
Correct. Correct. Let's see the 4-hour second. Okay, fine. Yep.
Yeah. Look, this is a beauty. This part over here is shows you that it formed a lower high compared to this one here. Correct. So that's exactly what we're looking for.
So go back to the 15-minute. And let's see what happens.
Let's see how much. Because if I would enter, I would like to put. Let's see if I do this.
So I want to ask you a question before you do this. Current candle, what's changed from the previous candle?
Well, what I'm seeing is it didn't break it.
Okay.
It's high. It closed higher than this one.
Right. So did it close high enough for you to now feel you need to look for an entry?
No.
Okay, so don't push it. Let's wait and see for it to pull back enough. Because you need to get break even, okay?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's why I wanted to. Wait a minute. This is about 9 pips.
This is New Zealand JPY. Remember the range?
Exactly. It's small.
But remember what we say, look at it visually. Yeah, look at it visually. Just because it's a 10 pip, 15 pip stop loss, the range, if it looks big with your stop loss, it's going to be big for your target.
Exactly.
Good.
For this pair, I'm looking around 5 to 8 pip stop loss, not more than that. No more than that. So I think 9 is too much.
Correct.
That is starting to look good. I'm happy I waited.
Very good.
Okay, so what also can happen right now is it might be ranging in this area. That's also what I see happening in the markets.
Well, let's look at this. This is the lower high. This is the lower high. This is the lower high. Where did it go? Oh,
I can see it.
yeah. And this is the low high. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, if you do me one big favor, go to your far right and where the levels are, stretch it a little bit. Very good. Now, think about this.
I identified this one as a lower high too. Let's just do it. I'm gonna put in a sell stop.
Okay, let's see the 1 hour. A second. Let's see the 30-minute a second. Let's see the 4 hour.
Oh, this is what it looks like. Why can I?
You know, I don't want to push you into this trade. We have the lower high. We have the momentum push. We don't have... don't think we have enough momentum. Go to the 15-minute. Yeah, this could be a trick.
Yeah, this could be like this, ranging.
Yeah,
that's what I don't want.
Yeah, it could. Yeah, I think you said it. I pushed you. I forced you not to say it. I think you should stick with what you're saying. Personally, my gut doesn't feel this.
Same here.
Okay, let's continue then.
We're gonna do one candle and see what happens, and then I'm gonna move back to the higher time frames.
Cool.
Yeah, You see, this is also something I realized today or saw today, which tricked me, is that you see over here a lower high, another lower high, but over here you see also a lower low.
Correct.
So what do you choose? And then it's better if you have this. They're like mixed signals to not just get into the market.
Very good.
So I'm going back to H1.
Yeah. Let's clear the charts. Let's put some new levels there.
Why is it not doing what I want?
It will, don't worry.
Okay, so wait, I'm on M5. Wait. Let's just clear it.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Okay. So right now we're on M4. Sorry, H4. And this was our last high.
So look at this a second. What I want you to identify now. We started to analyze this market very well. We started to identify the momentum shift from bullish to bearish, okay? We have wicks here. Okay? We have wicks here. This is an area in the market. I think in order to be safe, rather than sorry, I think we need to account for the majority of these wicks as one level.
Okay.
Okay?
So like this.
They're all in the same area. So let's see if price comes back to that area. Now, I'm going to remove my line. Can you draw your line and account for as many of those wicks as you can?
Okay. I have 5 wicks right now. I
want the highest point of the lot, correct?
Okay. Yeah.
Now we can avoid false breakouts, break back ins. We can look for this trade. We can look for double tops. We can look for reversals. We can look for bullish momentum shift into bearish momentum because we've accounted for everything. We can also look for a very safe stop loss, okay?
Okay.
Let's go.
Look at that.
Go to the 15-minute.
Yeah, look at that. It's a pity.
Never mind.
Oh, well.
Never mind. Let's move on.
This happens in real life.
It happens in real life.
So back to H4. what I always do is I always draw like a box. This is an area where I'm looking for trades.
Yeah, I agree.
And if I look at, oops, how many pips are left from this point to this point, that's only 10 pips. So for me right now, nothing much going on. It's not sufficient to look for an entry.
Nope.
So I would like to see if it's going to pass this wick over here, or if it's going to bounce off it and then form a sort of range, or go back up, or whatever it wants to do.
Okay, so we missed one element to this. We can look for price to bounce off at this level. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's gone down. Oh, this is doing my head in. We can look at price looking at this level to bounce, or we can look for price to come back to this level to make a what?
A double top.
Correct. You missed that. Think about that. Okay.
No, that's what I said. I see 3 opportunities.
Yeah.
It can break this level and then we look for sells.
Correct.
It can bounce off this level, creating a double top, and then still look for sells.
Correct.
Or it can break this level.
Okay.
And then we have to see what happens.
Fine. Yeah. Fine.
Okay.
So.
That's a little bit too far now.
Yeah.
Well, this over here, I don't like these type of candles on H4. When I see this, it tells me absolutely nothing.
Correct.
So I would wait for the next H4 candle, which I did, but then it pushed too far back into this area. And again, if you do this, that's only 19 pips. And if it would go back down, that's only also 18, 19 pips. So that's not enough.
Yeah, but if you get a 5 or 6 pip stop loss, you could potentially get a 1-to-1 back to support.
Yes, but then I would have to have a really tight entry.
Correct. So how can you find a tight entry?
On the 5-minute chart?
Well, no, forget that. If we go 1 hour first, or the 30-minute, we can start to see how price is reacting.
Okay. But at the moment, this is bullish pressure. And then I would think it's going to go back to this level over here.
Yeah,
so
I
would be
agree.
For buys. Is that what you're?
I wouldn't recommend buys. I'm still so biased, to be honest with you, until it breaks that structure.
Okay. So if you go to H1 to see what's happening.
You have now a lower high to the right, not this one, because there's no wicks.
This one here.
No, that's not a lower high. That's just price pushing up. A lower high. Where's your neck?
Wait, lower high. Here.
No, I'm not trying to trick you. Previous lower high is at 3rd of September, where price is trading below. So go.
Here.
No, go. That's a low. Go to your 4 hour and mark in. Clone that level that's already there. No, just clone.
Great.
Yeah, they're both clicked. Yep.
Okay. Yes.
You see your lower high?
Yes, I see it over here.
Okay. No, that's your low.
That's my lower. Wait a minute. Lower high.
Yes, here. Up here.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. So we can wait for price to come back to that level and start to show a reaction. Yes, correct. That's your range that you've drawn and you can work with, okay?
Okay.
So I would push 1 hour candles. Never mind. Keep going.
H1?
Well, price is too far away now.
Yeah. But, okay.
Yeah, we could.
But this is not enough.
We could have gone to the 15-minute. Yeah, we did. Yeah.
Here.
Yep, never mind.
But this is a very big candle also, so.
No, but you're selling the bottom of that as a sell stop. So.
Yeah, over here. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. got it. Let's see how it reacts with M30.
Sure.
If it's gonna push down. Yeah, okay. But this is a wick, so that means it's
So after any push, what do we normally have?
a pullback.
An exhaustion, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So wait, with this much evidence, I don't think I should talk about this, to be honest with you, because I don't want to confuse everybody. Go to your H for a second. This candle's not closed yet, is it?
That's the thing. I don't know.
Go to 4H candles. Go to 4H candles on your and press it once.
Yeah.
Yeah, now it's closed.
Okay.
Press it one more time, please.
Yeah.
Okay. Go to your 30-minute time frame, please. Now you need a high low of the structure. So this is, I've taught this in the course, okay? I don't recommend anybody does this, but after a push, more often than not, we're going to have an exhaustion back to a major key level, more often than not the 4-hour time frame, before we have a continuation down, okay? Because we haven't taken a trade yet, I want to see what happens. We have a level on the market around 72.98 where price is at actually, and it's failing to break above. If we get the break above, a pullback and a retest of that level, that can warrant a 4H push and a pullback. I'm going to go into this more later on down the line, and once I've finished all my duties on my side, okay? But let's just see what happens. Press 30-minute candles for me, please. It's fine. That's not good enough. We need a clear pullback. That's also not good enough.
This one looks good enough, right?
Yeah, but listen, go to the 4H candles now.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. So just don't forget that. We need price to pull back to a major level.
Mm-hmm. This area here.
This is not a level. Your higher low is going to be your lower high is going to, yes, that's all. So get rid of that blue line because that blue line means nothing at 7.
Yeah, exactly.
Now we are still sell biased the whole time as long as price stays below this level. Account for all the wicks, fine. We're still sell biased regardless of what happens, whether it goes up, down, sideways, we're still sell biased, okay? Until those highs are taken out. So does that make sense?
Yes, it does. Okay. But I think right now, because this is still far away, we can push H4 candles.
Sure, if you want. Okay, wait.
Oh, previous?
No, you can't go previous. That's cheating. So we've missed this. Go to the 30-minute time frame. We now have a double bottom of this structure. Okay, so we've had the break of that level that I was mentioning. This
Here.
No, this one. Okay.
Yes.
Price. Oh, yeah, fine. Price has now come back to this level to retest. Okay. We now have a double bottom of that structure level.
Yeah.
Okay. And now we have the break of the structure for the higher high. Now we have another level that we can work with for a double bottom. Has it drawn it? Come on. There we go. This level here. All right. So let's see what happens. Press the next candles, a few next candles on the 30-minute. Not yet. That's definitely not a buy.
That might.
Let me see the H4, please. Oh, this looks very, very interesting. Okay, go to the 15-minute a second. I need to see bullish momentum. Yeah, I would go for this.
Okay, so then you would.
So I would put a buy stop just below 73.15. Now,
okay, this area here.
Yeah, just below that. This is an exhaustion trade still in a sell buy structure because we're expecting price to get back to 73.49 for an exhaustion, back for a double top of that structure, or just below it, enough for us to go break even, okay? This is very, very advanced. I don't really want to teach it, to be honest with you, but I think it's very interesting to see this because we haven't taken a trade yet.
Okay. So because, well, actually the bigger trend is sell bias, but because we still have a lot of pips to go to the major level, you want to look for buys.
Yeah, and I'm just taking a buyer based on an exhaustion.
Okay. In a minute, it's a buy stop. So, we can't do it. So we have to wait.
No, you can. Move your stop loss to, let's just say 10 pips for now. Set your stop loss to 10 pips. So the stop loss.
Wait, here. Yeah.
Now do a buy stop. Correct.
This is my stop.
So put your stop loss below the double bottom.
Oh. Why isn't it moving?
It was.
The blue line was moving.
Oh no, go to modify. Go to trades.
Oh yeah, okay.
Modify. Okay. That's it.
Here?
3 pips. Yeah. Entry, yep. So the entry 72.98. I can't even see what's in yellow. 72.98, 73, 2, 12, 15. I just can't see what that says in yellow. And here we go. 15. Stop loss 72.98.
But I see the stop loss is 17 pips.
17 pips. Yeah, it's huge. All right, so do me a favor. Just do this for me then. Just do this for me. No. Don't do that. Modify.
Sorry.
Make an aggressive entry. Move your entry to 73.10.05. Correct. Stop loss 98 to 12 pips. And then go for 30 pips, take profit. So, yeah, take profit. 8 pips. Is that okay? Yeah, that's perfect.
Yeah.
Do the ticks so that we bit faster. Yeah, let's see what happens. I got butterflies. No. Yeah. Okay, press pause a second because we haven't been triggered in.
You would have deleted it right now, right?
Yeah. And this is something that I just want to. I mean, I never knew this was going to happen, but this is the beauty of buy stops and sell stops. The momentum shift did not continue in our direction, so guess what? We lose nothing. Cancel this buy stop. Oh, that was beautiful. That made me feel good. All right, so let's continue with 30 minutes a second. Nothing's happening right now.
No. Wait a minute. I think it's better if you watch it from this chart.
You on the 15-minute?
Yeah, and it was pushing 2 candles at the same time.
Oh, okay.
But what is this line over here?
Just clear it. Go to the 4 hour for me a second, please.
Yeah, that's what I wanted to see. Okay, so this can go.
This can definitely go. Yep.
Okay. So it looks like it's gonna go back here. So let's see what happens.
Wait. We have this happening again, where price was failing to break above, and now we've finally broken above this level. Okay. I don't know where that line's just gone. It's just disappeared off my screen. I
think you're trying to. Yeah. You mean this level here? This one.
Yeah. Correct. So we have the bullish pressure. Go to the 15-minute time frame for me, please, and clone that level.
What's this area?
Okay,
Why
fine.
are these still? Wait, I'm gonna.
Man, sell stops, buy stops are just king, man. To not be traded into a trade just feels as good as winning one.
Wait a minute. Wait, I'm gonna. This is confusing. I'm gonna clear these, and then I'm gonna clone.
Yeah, fine. Yep, no.
This clone. Okay. And you wanted to see which chart? Which
With this breakable structure, 15-minute, please.
15 minutes. Okay. So
Okay.
this here.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay. It broke this one, this area here. So
this is the hour break. Yeah. So I'm not looking to nothing to the left. Just what's happening now. So press 15-minute candles. Okay.
this looks like an area.
Yeah. Go to the 4 hour now, please. Okay. Go to the 1 hour, please. Okay. Go to the 30-minute, please. Go to the 15-minute, please. Yeah. Let's take this.
Okay. But then we're gonna take a direct entry, right?
No. Yeah.
Because how are you gonna put us buy stop? It's already at the level.
Go to the 5-minute, please. Some bad habits going on right now. Press 5-minute candles. Again. Please give me a wick. Okay. Don't wait. How far are we to the major H4 lower high? Oh, yeah, it's fine. Don't worry. Go back to the 5-minute. It's fine.
More than enough.
Yeah, go to the 5-minute. Take this trade.
Buy stop.
Yeah. So I'm looking at this now, identifying a higher low formation on the 5-minute. What I want to see is price break this level. Correct. 7 pips. I'm only going to get triggered into this trade with a momentum, and visually, what I'm going to be looking for is for price to make this higher low and then make a higher high, enough for me to go break even. Okay, this is all I'm trying to visualize. Okay, go for it.
It's too. Why is it so high?
Okay.
Oh wait, I have to modify.
Yeah, it's fine. This is why I don't like using them on this flipping thing. Right,
Stop loss over here.
A little bit lower, please. A little bit lower, please. No.
Oh, like this.
Yeah, perfect. Thank you.
Are you considering this one here, this candle?
I'm just visually looking at this and just want enough breathing room on the 5 minutes.
Okay.
Entry, just a little bit up, please. Correct. So entry stop loss. So stop loss 13, 10 pips, 30 pip target. Okay, when you're ready.
Where's the target line?
The green one.
Oh, that's my buy stop line.
Oh yeah, here. Target. Move it to the H4 level. No, down. Up. Yeah. Up a bit.
Above the level or below?
At the level.
At the level. Okay, here.
Yeah, fine. Accept.
Okay, let's do this.
Oh Jesus. No, don't play.
Oh, here.
Crunch the screen a little bit so we can see what happens.
Got in?
No, from the right. Where the numbers are on the right. Yeah. That's it. Press play. Don't.
Finally.
All right. Cool. Jeez. Welcome to the real world of trading, man.
But another thing I want to point out is I started the chart on September the 3rd, which was on a Monday, and we were able to take the first trade on Wednesday.
Yeah, but
in the afternoon.
you've made 18% this week from one trade.
No, that's what I want to identify. Well, that's what I want to share with everybody that's listening right now, is that sometimes it takes like 3 days for you to get into the first trade.
Yeah, and one thing I want to say to everybody, you don't need to trade Monday because you only need one trade. So there's no rush, okay? And mind. Let's go back to the 4H time frame. Okay? And you can take over now. We've come back to this major lower high. This is what I love to see. Big bullish candles into previous lower high structures. If we start to see a failure of this chart, this pair, and we start to get the bearish momentum on the hourly, 30-minute, 50-minute time frame, are we taking buys or sells? Not you, Chantal.
Oh, okay.
The chat. Everyone? Hello? Anybody here? Sells. Good. Oh, Paulina says buys. Okay. Pavel says sells if rejection. Very good. Pavel, very good. If we get the rejection, we're going to take sells. If we break and close above, then we can look for buys, Paulina, okay? So Let's go to this. 4H, and let's go.
That's a rejection.
That's a good sign.
Let's see what happens.
No.
No, not H1?
No, I'm talking to Paulina. That's not a So what we need to see now is bullish momentum shifting to what?
Bearish. Oh.
Correct. We haven't shifted to bearish yet. We get rejection, but we need to shift to bearish, okay? So continue, sis.
It came back in this area with a rejection.
Is this bearish shift? Is the bearish shift happened yet?
We can see that on M30.
No, wait. Why are we?
No? Wait, no, because we want to see what H1 candles to
give us at least give us a big bearish candle.
Yes.
If the previous two candles wasn't bearish enough and we've now broken above the previous highs, then go to the 15-minute time frame. This structure is still what?
Bullish.
Go to the 15-minute time frame. Right.
Yeah. You see, this is still bullish.
Very bullish. Okay. So let's stay on the 1 hour. Let's not try to look for more evidence than is there.
Okay.
This is not bearish enough.
No, because it didn't break this candle.
Correct. Or the low of that structure. Very good.
You see, what I'm seeing right here, it looks to me, for me right now, looks like a lower low. No, a higher low.
Yeah, but wait. When we took our buy, we took it back to a major level. Now at a major level, are you going to buy into a major level where price?
No. But what I'm saying is, we need a rejection again from this area down.
Correct.
In order to start looking for sells. So I'm just trying to identify that if you would look at this area here, it looks like it's still bullish. And so if you thought that this was a rejection of the area and you were looking for sells, then you can't enter.
Correct. So now that price is doing a whole load of funky stuff, let's go back to the 4 hour. Let's get the big 4 hour candle we need. Okay, so we have rejection. Now go back to the hourly. Do we have bearish momentum yet?
No.
Right, so we need to look for bearish momentum, okay? So continue. It's not bearish momentum yet. Okay.
Again, I think.
No. Right, you see? Now, go back to the hourly. I want to prove something to everybody. Actually, not prove. Show to everybody something. We cannot take sells at this level as a resistance level because the structure is still bullish and is now consolidating. What we need to see We need price to now break this consolidation and start turning bearish. We don't need to take that level. Try and identify this. If the major structure is this, we had a what and then a what?
A break of it. Retest.
No, even simpler. We had a breakout of structure. Price broke back in near enough. Okay, and now the major level where price is reacting to the most is my blue line.
Yes.
And this area here.
Yes.
So if price can start to push down below this level, then this will work, okay?
Okay.
Or give us a higher probable opportunity. So now let's go to the hourly time frame.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and let's see what happens. Yeah, so if it breaks above the level, very good, and strong above the level, then we're going to go back to the 4 hour and start the whole process again, okay?
Okay. But it didn't break. It's still in this box, right?
Correct. No, your green box doesn't need to be there. Get rid of your green box. Oh, no, you used them. Sorry, you used them. I forgot. It's fine. Continue.
Yeah. Okay.
Now, we've had the break of that structure, okay?
Mm-hmm.
To the 4 hour and see what's happening. Fine. Now, we know that this candle's not yet closed. Let's let this candle close and see what happens. Fine. Now, this is a good sign. Go to the 15-minute time frame. Now, what has this structure done? It's gone from bullish to consolidating to a break of structure. Now you can start looking, not now. Now you can start looking for your lower highs and your double tops.
Yes.
Okay. We don't need to be here. We can still work off the hourly time frame at this moment in time. Very good. So let's see what happens. Doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Another push. H1.
Yeah. Well, we've missed any sales anyway.
Yeah, that's why. So
we can just continue. Yeah.
It came back to this level.
Go to 15-minute, please.
Oh, okay.
Oh. Go to the 4 hour, please.
The 5 minute?
4 hour.
Oh, 4. Okay.
Well, we've missed it. We can't force a trade. It doesn't matter anyway. Go to 15-minute.
Wait. 1 second. Yes, okay.
Yeah, so, I mean, we can't take this trade when price is pushing low now. Okay, so we have to be disciplined. We have to wait for price to go back to the wick area on this market. Okay, so the wick area in this market is going to be in and around here. No,
you can see that on H1 or H4.
Hold on. This area here, okay?
Okay. So we're looking to see if it goes back there.
And that will then become the cheese man, okay?
Yes. Yes.
Let's press 15-minute candles.
Okay, another one. Because this is starting to look like a rejection.
That's fine. Breakout, break back in is always good.
Mm-hmm.
That's also fine. Nothing's changed. Never broke. Okay, fine. Now we have price obviously pushing up. This doesn't mean anything just yet. Go to the hourly. Let's monitor this. Oh, go to the 4 hour. We have to let this 4 hour candle close now. The whole momentum has changed again.
Yes.
Oh, Jesus. Go to the 15-minute. Well, this was a trade we went to take earlier and we decided not to take it, so we can't take it now. But we have the momentum of this price action changing, okay? So with this structure of this market, and I'm not going to be able to draw it because it keeps changing, but just visualize this for me, guys. This was up, okay? This was consolidating. This was broken. This is now a pullback lower high within the consolidation. Now this becomes the highest high. This is not supposed to be here. This is supposed to be above this level here. Yeah, it's drawing it all mad. And now this is the lower high of that structure. We refuse to take a trade earlier with this structure, so we can't take it now. What we need to see is a push, a lower high, and then we're going to take the sells, okay?
Yes.
Right, fine, let's go for it. Let's see what happens.
I'm going to push 15-minute candles.
Yeah. Oh, wait. Oh, no, damn it. Go to
If
the...
I would see this, I would like, okay, is this an area to get in, or is it a tricky area?
All right.
I like this type of flow. I don't like this.
Okay, fine. Let's continue. I personally would want to see one more rejection anyway.
Yeah.
Don't worry, let's continue. We're now in a bearish momentum,
Okay.
so we're just looking for lower highs. It's simple now. Now that everything's on our side, it's simple. We're just looking for lower highs.
Indecision.
No, forget it. Just look for lower highs. Don't worry, just look for lower highs. Okay. Go to the hourly a second. It's just closed. Go to the 30-minute a second, please. Oh, bollocks. Go to that 4-hourly for me, please. No, we can't take this trade. This 4-hour candle's still open. We can't take it. We will have to wait for a retracement of that 4-hour candle in order to take it. So every trade is screwed right now in this 4-hour candle. So just press the next 4 hour for me a second, please. Okay, this works. Now go to your 15-minute time frame. Sorry, go back to your 4-hour and draw your 50% retracement, please.
Oh wait, wrong one.
No, it doesn't need to be perfect. It's fine.
This one.
Clone 15-minute.
Right, I'm gonna clean this one.
We'll make this the last trade, okay?
Okay. And now.
Wait. I don't want you to disregard something though, okay? Please. Oh, it's drawn it wrong again.
You're talking about this area.
Yeah, can you pull your red line down to those wicks, please, or thereabouts?
Oops.
Give me a little bit.
It's gonna delete it.
Yeah, just on this. That's fine. Thank you. All right, let's continue. 15-minute candles. Bullish wicks. Give me a wick. Oh.
You see rocks, this here, right? We want to see a wick to the upside. But
Correct.
This one, it made a wick to the downside, so then you would think it's gonna keep on pushing up.
No, I just don't have an area to place my stop loss if I don't get a wick to the upside.
Okay.
Continue. Oh.
That would have been a beauty. This is a messed up pair.
Yeah, it is. Anyway, continue. Doesn't matter. Let's go. Patience is a virtue. This is okay, this trade is done. Let's move back to the hourly a second. Give me a heart attack, this.
But look at this area here.
You have to risk it for the biscuit.
It needs to break it to see if it's going to continue.
Or pull back enough for us to get enough range for a stop loss.
Yeah.
Go to the 4-hour.
This is the 4-hour.
Go to the 15-minute. We got that retracement of this candle. Let's see if we can get a lower high. Keep going. No, it's not enough. Wait.
You're identifying to put a sell stop over here, or not?
It's stupid risky. Let's go to the 4 hour. Oh, this is mad.
I know you said once not to take the left into consideration because this is what's happening right now, but for some reason I do take this into consideration because it can bounce back into this area.
No, but that behavior of that market from bullish is now changed to bearish, so the behavior is different. I'm not looking for support. I'm only looking for structure. Go to the 30-minute.
This was a very nice double top.
Stupid, man. Set a sell stop on this trade at 72.85.
Let's see.
This was a very hard pair to trade today, you know.
A sell stop at 72.85.
Down. Down. Yeah, go up a little bit. Just up a little bit for me. Just try it there.
Here. Below the wick.
Yeah,
of the pink candle.
Yeah, try that.
Okay, and your stop loss above.
Yeah, just put it at the previous lower lows bodies. So to the left. No.
This here.
Yeah. Put it up against the bodies of that.
Okay.
Bodies, not wicks.
Oh, the bodies here.
Yeah. And where's the take profit? Crunch it.
Over here, take profit is 33.9 pips, but your stop loss is 13.5 pips.
Oh, jeez. You have to just go for 37.
37 take profit.
Yeah.
Oops.
Yeah, Pavel, I was gonna go for a 1 to 2, you know. Accept this trade at just shy of, yeah. Make sure you got it at 37, you know, not 37.7. Accept it a second. Let me go and see the 4 hour, please.
That's a long way down. This big candle is 35 pips approximately. So if you have another big candle like this one.
Yeah, but I like the rejection on the 4 hour. Let me see if the 1 hour momentum is down, please. Lower high, lower high.
It is.
The safest trade on this pair would be that lower high, you know. It really would.
This one.
I don't think it's going to reverse because I don't look at support as a reversal. I'm looking at momentum. Why did we not take that lower high? God damn it. Go to the 30.
It should have been over here.
Yeah, and even if it comes back there, it's not a sell because we need to wait.
But this also shows you really have to shift between all the time frames in order to really look for your evidence.
Yeah, you do. Now, go to the 15-minute. Yeah, but it can take 5. Now, the thing is, right, crunch this screen a bit. We've got enough momentum. If this is going to go back to that lower high, we're not going to get triggered in. If there's too much whipsaw, we're going to get screwed. If the momentum continues, we should get to break even. For that reason, let's just try it. Go to the 5-minute, please. Sorry. Oh, God. Just go back to the 15-minute and take it.
Okay. Wow. Great. Break even.
Definitely.
Ah.
Oh! Press 15-minute candle.
But you see, I knew it. I identified this one as another area.
Yeah, new lower high was formed.
Oh. You would have gotten in here and then I push it aside. I think this is like 5 pips or something, 5, 6, 7 pips.
Yeah. Go to the 5-minute time frame.
No, there's no entry. There's no entry here. What? And it's Friday. Oh, it's in the morning Friday. We still have a few hours though.
Just give me pure butterflies, man. Shit. Go to the 4 hour. We missed that 50%. Well, actually, we got in, but we didn't hit take profit.
No.
And then we missed the lower high. Continue. Let's see if we pull back to some of those major wick areas. Go to 4 hour.
Yeah, this is the 4 hour.
Yeah, pressed 4 hour candles. Let's make this our last trade. Screw it.
Okay, so
we're still sell bias. Remember, we have a double previous lower high, a lower low. We're looking for a lower high.
If you see this, what do you think?
I need to see bearish momentum now on the 15-minute time frame. Okay, so we have the bearish sentiment stepping in. We need a lower high. Give us a lower high. It's fine. Double tops.
Yeah, over here.
Yep.
This here.
There's no wick.
Oh, that's not a wick? Well, I see a wick. You see what happened here on the M5?
Damn.
You see this here, if you would have put the sell stop over here.
Yeah, okay. Go to the 4 hour. Let me see it a second.
This looks like it's going to range. But it's only 15 pips we're looking for, so...
Go to the 5-minute. Take the trade with the stop loss above this lower high. Instant,
right?
Yeah. What we're going to lose, man? We're only going to lose 5%. We still done well. Go to modify. We still finished the session 13% up.
There.
Yeah. I'd say a tad higher on the stop loss. Go to 10. 10 and 29, 10 and 28. Yeah, that would do 9.9 is fine.
28.
And slow it down because you're giving me a heart attack with this fast thing. Go to like 600. That would do. Yep.
We're on the here.
Stretch it for me. Oh!
Almost.
Jeez! Stop moving there. What's wrong with you?
Finally! Oh my gosh. Look what time it is. It's 7 o'clock, 7:15. 2 trades this week.
2 trades, 40%.
Community, 2 trades, 41%.
That was crazy. Look how close we was to the stop loss.
Oh, goodness.
Wait, what was the risk to reward ratio on that trade? That was huge. That was like 5-1. No, it wasn't.
No.
It was 1-3.
Here.
10, 9, 28. Oh, it wasn't even
break even.
Yeah.
It wasn't. It was 10 to, yeah, almost 1-3, 3-1.
Wow.
Nice. So this is what it takes. Only 2 trades in 1 week, for 41%.
Yeah, but I don't want people to risk 5%. Until you feel confident and competent to risk 5%, then all well and good. You can make good money with 5%. Alan done it with 5%, and he turned 500 into, I think, 4.7 or 5.7 in 100 trades, which was unbelievable. The thing is, you're only ever going to blow your account if you lose 20 trades in a row. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
But anyone, 4.7, he said, yeah. So Chantal, can you go to the trades, please? Trades, history. No, sorry, statistics. And make this box really big for everyone. Okay, forget the gross profit. So our absolute drawdown, our maximum realistic drawdown was 6%. Oof, not too bad. I think our drawdown peaked. Why is it so high? That don't make no sense.
3.7% drawdown.
Where?
Here.
Oh, yes. Okay, that's...
You're looking at this.
Yeah, no, I was confused for a second. Yeah, so that's very good. Maximum drawdown, 3.7%. Epic. We took 3 trades, 1, 2, lost 1. Largest loss trade. Oh, yeah, because we went break even. What was our profit factor? It didn't even give us a profit factor. I don't even know why they give us a profit factor. Don't matter.
No, I don't see it either.
No, that's weird. Go down a second. Scroll down.
That's it. This is how far it goes.
Oh, okay. A largest profit, largest loss, average profit. So when we lost, we was break even then, basically. We lost.
Yes, exactly. Yeah.
Man, that session gave me heart attack. Especially I can't even touch the screen. I feel like I'm not...
Control freak.
I just felt like I was in the live markets, man.
Yeah.
Anyway, Chantal, thank you, man. Listen, I'll be very honest with you. Your composure, your approach to the markets, the thought process, and everything you just done right now is a fine example to everybody. Chantal came in as a student, is now a mentor, and obviously doing her stuff, man. So just want to say thank you for your time and for the effort that you put in, for your knowledge and your wisdom that you shared with the community. Everybody else, thank you for supporting her and joining the session. I'll get this uploaded with the live sessions that we've had this week for you all to enjoy over the weekend. Hopefully I don't get any messages from anybody because you'll be studying too hard, okay? Mm-hmm. I'm not here tomorrow, so